What is going on, guys? This is Mando with M Traders. I'm going to be talking about natural gas. And yes, I just got back from vacation. I was out for about 15 days. Went to Spain, drinker's paradise in short term. What I think about Spain? Drinker's paradise. You eat, they give you free food. It's a good trade, right? You just keep drinking, they keep feeding you. You keep drinking, they keep feeding you. It's, I think, an amazing trade. You just got to go to the right tapas bar. Not any tapa bar will give you free food, but if you go drink, they'll give you free food. Anyways, it's whatever they pick. You don't get to choose. Beggars can be choosers, my friends. So natural gas. So I'm very surprised that we got to this level of 2.30. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. So it was so tempting to me that I actually went and bought more. I had to withdraw more capital and bought about 50% more. Then I got another 50% in case it goes back down to 2.19. Well, why 2.19? Well, let's look at, God, I gotta change my time frames. Like, literally gotta look at 10 years. So notice, I wanted to see what's good. Well, you could say this looks like a fairly good option. I don't want to go down all the way to 1.89. I'll die. Anyways, so the reason I went 2.19, because it seems that it can be a pretty good support area. It was a resistance. It acted as a support on the weekly. It acted as a resistance, and once it broke that resistance, it just kept going all the way up. So once it broke this resistance right here, it went up 145%. So that's not bad. Right now we are down probably about 184%, right? Like 200%. Oh, not too bad. We are down 54%. So we're down 54%, and right now it's a pretty low area. So what did I choose this area? Again, it acted as a support and resistance for the 2.33, which it rejected on the last couple days. However, if it keeps going down, I think the next stop will be this area right here, about 2.17, 2.19, 2.15. This is the area where we would go if it breaks it. If it does not hold, what we got going on right here, we got a rejection in this area right here. I know I'm not the best drawer, do not kill me for it, but this is just my thoughts. Yeah, it was almost like a perfect rejection. Let's get it a little bit more clear. Let's do the 1 hour. Okay, much better, right? This is the only thing that made me go to sleep at night, was this right here. Almost a perfect rejection from the 2.33, 2.30. Almost a perfect rejection. So what's causing these rejections? Well, one of the things is the coal to gas switch increases. Right now it had increased 2 billion cubic feet per day. So that's above the 5-year average. So coal to gas switch is now at 2 billion cubic feet per day, above 5-year average. A 9-month high. So this is the highest it has been. So that kind of is helping the consumption. Also, LNG prices, European LNG prices has gone up, I think 7%. No. Do not kill me, because I cannot be showing this online. I already got told I cannot do that, or I'm not going to have no more reports. So just bear with me. So yeah, I know I read it somewhere. I was reading it because I like to read before I actually jump in, but can I find it? But anyways, yeah, European LNG has gone up about 7%, And also the near term bottom in forward demand trend is expected on June 12th. So what does that mean? That the demand bottom should bottom out by June 12th, which is in 3 days. So might be people positioning for longer positions and cutting out all the shorts. We saw almost a perfect rejection at 2.30 area, 2.305. That was like beautiful. That was like, oh my God, this is amazing. Did not broke it. Got rejected. This looks almost like a double. Actually, this looks like a double bottom in the hourly, right? Yeah, looks like a double bottom in the hourly and should go back up. This also looked like a triple bottom, right? We got faked out. That was not good. However, this might be a pretty good area to hold because the demand is going up. Right now, the weather in the United States has not been very complacent. It has not been either warm nor hot. So the demand is not there for natural gas. However, other countries, they are experiencing a higher demand of natural gas, which most of the time is LNG, right? The liquefied natural gas. And one of the reasons is, it's extremely hot. I was in Seville, Spain, and my God, we were probably between 90, close to 100-degree days. Not a single cloud in the sky, which it was beautiful for me because I prefer to be hot than wet, right? In the total degrees, we are way below the 30-year norm. 30-year norm at these levels was around 2.45. That's in the 30-year norm. Where are currently it was 2.45. We're at 2.34-ish area, to which that indicates we're way oversold. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Again, do not hold me to my words. It's just what I'm doing. I actually went in at 2.30. I liked it. Do I mind holding until winter when the prices go back up to $5? Crossing my fingers. Not really. I will be very extremely happy. Total supply and demand. We are a little bit above, so June 11, 12. So June 12 might be demand might be bottoming out. Excuse my French. However, we should continue in an uptrend on the demand. It's gonna go up and down, right? All the way to total demand might be reaching at 30% above. Might be at 30% above a 30-year norm. So that'll be probably around, I don't know, this is June 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, about July 1st. So about July 1st, we should reach our peak again and then should go back down. So prices are looking good for me. They're looking good for me for natural gas prices to go up and then should bottom out in the next couple of days. Anything else that I think is important? Fair price for August contract is at 2.6. July contract's at 2.65. So July contract should be around 2.65. That's the fair price. So we're talking about a 15% increase. So if you're in UGAZ, that's about what, 40%, 45%, and it's 3 times. It's lies. I was doing the math. It's that lies. You got decay, you got all that good stuff. So we should be reaching somewhere around this area. Wow, that is big. Oh, that one's a lot nicer. Okay. So we should be reaching out this area. This is very feasible, can be bottoming out and just doing the curve and do that nice 9 figure. Okay, Anyways, so what is my overall thoughts on it? Wow, you know, because sometimes when people in YouTube are wrong, everybody wants to cut heads. Do not cut mine, please. Right? But I think it's a fairly good place for me to buy UGAZ. And I'm not backing out. If it drops below 2.30, I was wrong. But it's better to go with some type of knowledge into a stock than with no knowledge whatsoever. Yes, the trend keeps going down. Has it shown reversal signals? Kinda, it has. I mean, I see the double bottom, the coal to gas switch has increased. We're way under the 30-year norm. It's about 10 cents, which is probably about 15% below the 30-year norm. So there's things that tells me, you know what, you should buy more UGAZ, which I did buy more UGAZ. Those are my thoughts, my ideas only. This is not advice. Do not hold me to it. Like, oh, this guy was wrong. Well, imagine if I was right every single time. We all would be rich. That would be amazing. But unfortunately, we're not. So that's why we're here. That's why you're watching this video. That's why I'm making these videos, because I want to make the best informed decision that I can whenever I go into a stock. In this case, I think it's UGAZ time. Now that we are out of, let's get out of natural gas for a minute, right? Let's bring this down, this baby down. Okay, so what's going on? We have a guy in our chat, which is his name is, I don't know his name, but call it El Bandido. Very good with gold, extremely good with gold. He told us buy gold at 6.7. This is why. This is why. This is why. Plus, the guy is actually by trade metallurgist. I don't know how to say it, but basically precious stone person or metal person, which that's his trade. That's by his trade. He told us, Armando, you should buy JNUG. And I say, sure, buddy. Do I regret it? Big time. This is what happened. It was at this level, you know, 6, and he bounced, and he bounced, and he bounced, and it says you gotta buy it because this, and that. Nah, we're not gonna buy nothing. And my God, it's just shut up. 46%, guys. 46%. This guy's amazing. Should listen to him more often. So if you like gold, trading gold, ETFs, yeah, join the chat. Listen to this guy. Pretty amazing. And then of course we got all our empty crew people that love to help people. They just love it when they get, you know, bothered all the time. I shouldn't say bother. I should say talk to, right? But anyways, we all do it. It's literally, we all do it for free. We don't do it for any other reason but to help people, because we want to be up there, right? We want to be with everybody else. So anyways, so amazing. He was talking about gold. Gold probably went down because of the news that just came out of reaching a tariff trade deal with Mexico. However, it's a tweet again, and tweets play with emotions. Freaking tweets, you know, get me crazy. But that's why. But we saw a clear rejection in this area about 1337. Should go back up to. That's a big drop, by the way. Should go back up to 1350. That would be very nice. Very nice. So probably this is gonna drop down to this level. So JNUG should be somewhere around this level right here. So it should drop, and then people might buy it. Kind of looks like a bull flag. You guys see this? Kind of looks like a bull flag. Hopefully it is a bull flag, and then we will go from there. This is back in 12/13/18. He also told me to buy a JNUG back here, and of course I did not listen again. So this is second time I don't listen. God, it's not that I don't listen. It's just I'm so into natural gas that I just don't care. But this is definitely a good option. I should have bought more at 6.33. Oh well, learn my lesson. We will see. I think I got some J-Note calls in Robinhood from like $7. I gotta check those. Anyways, so this, we are in gold. This is what I think about gold. But why do I think about gold? Well, it looks like it's a support / resistance area. I don't know. If the news keep going the way they are going, most likely gold is gonna keep going up. It's just, you know, a sell-off, came back up. It's gonna go back up. There was a sell-off. Trying to point with my finger. There was a sell-off in this area, right? There's a sell-off around this area, right? And rejection, went back up. People took profit, rejection, came back up. People took traffic, and then seems another rejection, and then it might go back up. So you like my drawing? Fantastic. I'm deleting it. Anyways, so that's what I think about gold. And I don't think there's anything else. So I'm in UGAZ, natural gas. There's some news that somebody's merging. Who's merging? Raytheon and United Technologies agree for an equal all-stock merger. What does that mean for people? That means prices will go up for the stock. Yay, right? Gold is oversold, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, good. Let me bring this back to my screen. And that's it, guys. 60 minutes and 46 seconds. I'm getting better at this. It's no longer 30 minutes because I even get bored of myself. So I think we should be okay. Oil is keeps going up. Fantastic. 50 was a good buying point, I guess. That's it. So if you like our talk, if you like to talk to other people that are like-minded individuals that like to trade gold or oil or natural gas or just plain old simple stocks, right? I remember I called this BYND when it was $45. Like, hey, people, BYND is gonna go up, and I sold. It went all the way up to $149. This is great. But again, look what happened. It got overbought, oversold, went down. Do I think it's going to go down? There's big bear volume in BYND. I love this company because, look, if I can eat fake meat that tastes just like real meat, now I don't have to kill animals, but I get to enjoy all that fatty bacon or sausage or whatever, why not? You know, that's why I think this company is going to do great. Just because it's fake meat that tastes like meat. Then we get to keep all of our animals and cows and play with them, go fetch and all that stuff. However, until then, I'm still a big meat eater. My wife is not. She likes to eat all veggies and fruits, which I support. That's cool. And I also try to do a little bit better on my eating. But anyways, BYND is nice. NIO just keep going low. How low can you go, NIO? I don't know. I might just buy some NIO. Maybe some calls for the future. Yeah, some maybe. I don't know. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I just kind of deviated for a little bit, and went up to 19 minutes. God. So, anyways, hopefully you guys like it. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, join in the Discord group. The link is down below. You can just join us and talk to us. We talk every morning. We talk about what plays are we doing. Most people are now doing options and all that stuff. Very, very knowledgeable people. Get to know them. Get to know us. And I will see you there.